Understanding the phrase, rise above hatred. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. In this session, we're going to explore a powerful and meaningful phrase, rise above hatred. This expression is not just about language, but it also carries a deep message about human behavior and ethics. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means to rise above hatred. Rise above hatred is a phrase composed of 3 words, each carrying significant meaning. Rise. This verb suggests an upward movement or an increase in position or status. In a metaphorical sense, it means to overcome or to become better. Above. This preposition indicates a higher position or level. Hatred. This noun describes an intense feeling of dislike or hostility towards someone or something. When put together, rise above hatred means to overcome or elevate oneself beyond the feelings of intense dislike or hostility. Understanding this phrase also involves recognizing the context in which it is used. Rise above hatred is often used in situations where there is a conflict, discrimination, or any form of negativity. It's a call to action, encouraging individuals or groups to not let hatred dictate their actions or thoughts. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. Despite the unfair criticism she faced, she chose to rise above hatred and responded with kindness. In a world filled with conflict, it's important for us to rise above hatred and seek peace and understanding. Rise above hatred isn't just a phrase for individual use, it has broader implications in society. It embodies values like tolerance, understanding, and compassion. It encourages us to look beyond our prejudices and negative emotions and to act in a way that promotes harmony and peace. I hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of rise above hatred, but also the positive impact this mindset can have on our lives and society. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication, it's also a reflection of our values and beliefs. Thank you for watching, and keep learning and growing.